Hi, this is Anjani. A special welcome to Bollywood Bubble. And Dhoni fever has taken over the country. MS Dhoni, the untold story, is actually an untold story because it discovers MS Dhoni from so many angles we never thought about. Like Dhoni as a kid, Dhoni as a son, Dhoni as a husband, and a dear brother. So, here today with us, we have all the people who brought life in Dhoni's personal sphere. The gorgeous Bhumika Chawla, whose comeback couldn't be better. Kiara Advani, who breaks so many hearts in the film and backs Sushant Singh Rajput's heart. Zishan, who brilliantly plays Dhoni's childhood. And Neeta Mohindra, the very chilled out mom who tells her son, like, Ja beta khel le. Congratulations, everybody. The film is doing well. Bhumika, why is such a long gap?
Well, I think it is timing because the films, there were, quite a few films that I had signed which didn't materialize. Then there were films that I liked but never took off. And then there were films offered to me which I just didn't want to do. Meanwhile, I continued to work in the Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada films. वहाँ से मैंने कभी, I never let it go. Plus my marriage, and now that I have a 2.5-year-old baby, so I think all in all included the gap.
So, like, it's been quite a fascinating journey, right? From Salman to Sushant, like, everybody's jumping in.
Everyone's saying that. So it's been a fabulous journey for me. It's been a journey that I just have to thank God for, and totally enjoyable with the kind of films I've done, the kind of people I worked with, and the kind of scripts I worked on. One better than the other, I think.
All right, coming to Kiara. So, Sakshi Dhoni doesn't like cricket at all. Does Kiara Advani like cricket?
Before doing the film, I'd say only during India-Pakistan matches in the World Cup. After doing the film, I'm definitely going to be watching a lot more cricket. Now I know much more, obviously. And I think same with Sakshi, she loves cricket, obviously, for obvious reasons now. So yeah, you'll be seeing a lot, I'd be much more aware of what's going on in cricket right now.
So, were you always a Dhoni fan actually, or you have turned one now?
That's what I said. I was as clueless as her because I knew who he was. That's the only difference. I knew he was the Indian cricket captain, but I was never a fan of him, the cricketer. I can surely say I'm a fan of him, the person, right now, because in fact my first meeting with Dhoni and Sakshi and their baby Ziva was at a wedding reception, and just the way they were as a family, they had come to Mumbai, and he was holding his the baby's bag, and she was holding the baby, and they were alternating, like being the most hands-on parents. There was no nanny, and just that was so beautiful to see. And I think from there I was like, oh my God, I want a husband like that, He's just such an, and after seeing the film and knowing the story, he's such an inspirational man. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan now.
All right, so Sakshi and Dhoni's love story is quite sudden. It just happened. Something like that ever happened to you in real life?
Are you asking me if I've had that love story? I'd love for my love story to be like that, though, like sudden and just out of the blue and not planned. And I think that's the best way when two people meet and then realize that, who knows, maybe you're made for each other. So yeah, I hope I just walk into my Mr. Right someday.
All right. So, Zishan, enjoying all the stardom?
या
दोस्त क्या बुला रहे दोस्त लोग आजकल छोटा धोनी?
हाँ आजकल तो मतलब स्कूल में मतलब सब चालू ही है छोटा धोनी वेरी गुड एक्सीलेंट सब बोलते रहते और टीचर भी बोलते कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
और आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो हमेशा से, लाइक यू आर अ प्लेयर?
स्कूल में खेलता था, टूर्नामेंट के लिए जाता था, तो जो कोच है हमारे वो भी बोलते थे गुड लक जिशान, वेल प्लेड.
Okay. Madam, do you know you are one of the most chilled out on-screen moms we have ever seen? Somebody who asks her son to play and study less.
थैंक यू बट या नाउ द वर्ल्ड नोज, क्योंकि ये जो डिग्रीज हैं ये सिर्फ कुछ नहीं करती हैं, पैशन करो तो ही होता है. सो द मूवी इज प्रूफ दैट. यस.
So you have been into theatre for so long. So do you think this could be the best Bollywood film to start off in Bollywood? I mean,
Definitely. I've worked lots of TV and all, but I just landed in Mumbai and within 1 month God gave this film to me. Now, I couldn't have asked for anything more. Yeah, very, very grateful to God. Thanks to her. Yeah.
okay, going back to Bhumika again. So Neeraj Pandey is one of the very, very acclaimed filmmakers. So how was it working with him?
It was a brilliant experience because I've been a fan of his films and I love all the films he's made so far. So for me to get to work with him was like a dream come true.
And what's next on your plate, if we may know?
Well, let's see. I'm listening to scripts, but if something really exciting comes, that's the only time I'm going to work.
Okay, so we are heading for a very short rapid fire round now, and all of you better be brutally honest with it. Okay. So starting with Zishan, what's your favorite sport?
Cricket and football.
Kiara, one actor you'd love to share the screen with?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Bhumika. Which Khan in Bollywood do you think is the best?
Putting me in a tight spot. um, Kabir Khan, the director.
Oh, that was so smart. Okay. Zishan, what do you want to be when you grow up?
An actor.
Okay. Madam, one director in your wish list.
I think Shujit Sarkar right now.
Rate yourself as a chilled out mom out of 10.
I would say 20.
Okay. One quality of Sushant that you like the most.
Very easygoing.
Now, this was a 10 on 10. I failed to put down anyone. All right. That was Bollywood Bubble. Keep watching.
Hi, this is Bhumika Chawla and you're watching Bollywood Bubble.